Welcome YouTubers, welcome to this channel. Today I will be replacing Lucy Wings, but for today only for today. And I also will be reviewing this Ghostbusters Slimer item. It's actually a candy bowl dish holder. It's currently available at Kroger for the Halloween 2020 season. I got this item at clearance, so you better rush to your Kroger store, supermarkets in order to get one. I actually got it for $5. The original price was $25. So again, it's on clearance. It's being liquidated. Grab yours. Grab it now. It's made by Rubies, and it's made also, I don't know if you can see, it's made also from a styrofoam material, which is very flammable, so you don't want to put it near no candles, okay? And just to show you the back of the item, because again, this will be a quickie review. You can see it's some type of styrofoam that they color it black, but even though it's very cheaply made, it's very cheap material, so it's nothing that fancy or expensive. The actual molding of the figure is excellent, so I cannot recommend this item enough. So it's very good for display or for Halloween purposes, any way you want to go about it. You can also remove the plastic dish bowl. Again, it's very flimsy material. I wouldn't advise you to go ahead and put it on the outside of your house and fill it up with candy for the kids, because they will basically destroy it. But in my case, I'm planning to hang it on a wall. You see, like this, and I think it will be a great display item. I might go ahead and eventually remove the dish holder and put some type of figure or slime over there. But so far I'm liking it, and let me go grab some candy and put it on the dish so you can see a full in-depth review of the candy bowl holder. Okay, be right back. So as you may know by now, 2020 has not been easy. So for this Halloween season, I went the cheap route as well. And I went to Dollar Tree and I grabbed a few of these sour bubble gums. I also grabbed one of these popping candy and this gummy bear. Again, all of these for $1. I also got a few Twix imitation from Aldi. You can never go wrong also with a few fortune cookies from Chinese. And also I have these cookies from the last time I was in a airplane, so I'm gonna throw that as well there. And this will be the most expensive candy in this bowl, so the lucky winner gets this one. So see, you can tell it's looking pretty good. Let me go ahead and give you a close-up image of the face so you can see they're very scary looking eyes, but I like the eyes. You see, they're very scary looking eyes. They're very scary looking eyes. They're very scary looking eyes. So Here's a close-up so you can better take a look at the details of the figure. Take a look at the wrinkled face and the scary looking eyes, especially the tongue, the hands, and the imperfections, and the pimple scarred face. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, that you subscribe to the channel, and you leave us a like. I really appreciate any feedback that you can provide. So take care and enjoy.